welcome back to another video. If you want to play trial version of EAFC 25 and you are not able to play this in your device, don't worry about it. I have some solution to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my. To get the solution, I am going to the official website of EA Sports, and here you can see that this is a technical issue which will be fixed from the backend. So till then you wait for it to fix this error. Apart from this, you can try other solution to fix this problem. To begin, launch the title and select the free trial options. Next, navigate to the Xbox dashboard and enter the setting menu. From there, proceed the network setting and select go offline. Return to EAFC 25 and press A to the advanced throw in the game network message. Once again, access the Xbox dashboard, go back into the settings and re-enter network setting. Go online. When you return to FC 25, you will notice that welcome to the club message. Press A to start the game. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.